Let's go to the ruins of the Saint-Pierre-du-Châtel church located Camille Saint-Saëns Street. This former Catholic church has a very special history because it was successively the headquarters of a delivery service company, then a foundry store for the House of Déville de Lecouteulx. In 1898, it also served as a store and stable for the Nouvelles Galeries, a chain of department stores. And it's not over, because following a call for bids started in December 2019 by the Town Hall, this Rouen heritage will be restored in the form of a restaurant with rooftop and charming hotel-type accommodation from 2022. When you're sipping a drink on the rooftop, you might wonder why this old church is called Saint-Pierre-du-Châtel. Well, Châtel would come from the location of the castle of the first count of the Normans, Rouen. You know, the first trader in Viking history. Châtel is the equivalent of the word castle in Old French.